everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to be making a wreath. So you're going to need some white tulle, some bunny ears, pipe cleaners, one roll of deco mesh, a white pom-pom or a clip-on bunny tail from Dollar Tree, and a wreath form, and a pair of scissors. So you're going to cut your tulle to about 8-inch strips, and then you're going to use the center support right there. You're going to tie 6 of the tulle pieces to all of those, and then once that's done, we're going to work our way in sections per row. So each section per row gets 10 of these strips of deco mesh. So what I do here is I just fold it in half, and then I slip it underneath of the little wire there. And once I've got my little loop that my thumb is in right there, I just put my finger through it, and then I reach down, grab the 2 ends, and pull it tight to make these little loops. And like I said, I do 10 in each section all the way around, and I work row by row, and you're going to do all 3 rows, and the last row is going to be the deco mesh. The deco mesh just gives it a little bit more of like an outside border to this, so it looks like it has this more of a shape. So I like these kind of long because I want to fold them all down to the center of the wreath and make it kind of fluffy, because I don't want to see that center hole. So as you can see, I went ahead and I put the deco mesh around the outside here, and then what I did with my bunny ears, it's just a headband from Dollar Tree, is I folded the little ear over, and then I used some hot glue to hold it over into place. You don't have to do this step, I just chose to do mine this way. So once that's dried into place, I had already clipped the bunny tail onto the center of the wreath. It was just a clip, like I said, so there really wasn't anything to show you there. And then with the bunny ears, I just used these white pipe cleaners that I did find at Hobby Lobby. You can get white ones at Dollar Tree, but they come in a multicolored pack. And then I just went ahead and tied these on to the top of the wreath form, and then I made this little tie with the pipe cleaner, and that is my hook to hang it up, and here's the finished wreath. It was super easy to do. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to like and share this video, and thank you for watching.